Hey guys, good morning. My name is Tony. How do I usually start these videos? I completely forgot. Jesus. If you want to join the Patreon, join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. You can also, all the links are in my bio somewhere. Please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Somebody requested AVAX. Man, I'm sorry. I just woke up, so my throat is weird. Someone requested AVAX. It's good. It's pretty easily a buy, right? You have that monthly trigger down here. You guys can see the green bubble, monthly trigger, stochastic at lows. I'll add your support and resistance right here. First level, right? Your second level is gonna be right on the monthly chart. This is all monthly, right? The second level is right here. Third level is gonna be right there, right? Do you have anything else under here? I would have put it at 37 bucks. Yep. Next level, your first resistance level is going to be right there. Or would it be a little bit higher? Actually, a little bit higher, actually. I'd say probably right there. So these are your levels: 40 bucks, 57, 98, 128. I do think you're going to push, right? Especially because you actually did close twice on the lowest end. You actually closed a bullish candle above that open on the bear. Same thing here, bullish candle above the open of the bear. And then last time you actually closed the perfect entry on AVAX, you ran from, this is back in October 2023, you ran from 11 bucks all the way up to 53, which was a 471% move. And again, that was on the monthly. Just the triggers alone, you would have done, 471% return just by the triggers, right? You went up 53 bucks. If we do the same thing, right, up 53 bucks in what? 151. 53 bucks, you're looking at a push to around there, right? I would argue it's actually going to go a little bit higher. Let me see. Unless the weekly is giving me something a little different. Let's go with the weekly. What's around this level? What is it? 85.59. 85.59. Yeah, that's actually an order block. So that's like $3 away from an order block. So I'd say target, right? Hard target would be somewhere right here. Would be this order block right there. Boom, boom, boom. Change that to green. There you go. And I'd say with the monthly closing, and again, right, 2 weeks been bullish ever since right here, right? You would have bought this at 26 bucks. You would have been up at least something, right? Every 2 week entry would have been nuts, right? You would have bought at 9 bucks. You would have bought back here at 23 bucks, right? The chart doesn't go back further than that, but I'd say you're pretty much set for possibly another push on the monthly like you did before, right? I can probably go to AVAX, maybe run AVAX on Binance to get a longer chart. Yeah, same thing actually. AVAX. Go back to Coinbase. Yeah, I'd argue this. I'd argue you're probably going somewhere until I get 85 to 98 bucks after this monthly close on the bullish side, right? Because again, close right here. Close right here on the bullish side, right? 11 bucks, ran up 471%. I'd probably run this to like 85, right? I definitely say you're going to keep pushing from here. Hard target right now, or at least soft target, not hard. I say soft target at 85 bucks. If it goes higher than that, I'm not 100% sure. But again, you have to break these levels first, right? These levels on the monthly are 40 bucks and 57. If you start breaking these levels, like you close a candle above, like for example, this level, I'd say you're going to the next. Close the candle above this, you're going to the next, right? Soft target would be up here, right? Soft target would be here at 88, right? Everything else is like 99 bucks around that level. So yeah, AVAX, bullish. I don't see a reason why at minimum it's not going to go to like 40 bucks or like 57 or something, especially with the monthly bullish trigger closing. Perfect entry, by the way. So yeah, whoops. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.